We'll take a long position here. We're going in 10 contracts here on the 6E, which is the Euro FX futures contract. We're going to go ahead and go for a 4-tick profit target here. That's $12.50 per tick times 10 contracts. That's $500. We're going to play a pretty tight stop here. I'm using NinjaTrader as my trading platform. Here at Traders International, when you enroll, you're taught all this. We're not going into a lot of detail of this technical analysis. You can see if you're familiar with trend lines and support resistance. You can see that's what I'm using. If you're not familiar with that, no problem. We teach you that. That's what we do. We educate you on how to trade and just the things you need to know how to trade. There's a million different indicators and tools and charts, and let's go ahead and go for 5 ticks here. Go for 600 and some change here. But we just teach you the things that you need to know only, and not give you a bunch of things and indicators and technical analysis that's not going to make you any money. The risk management is really a key portion of what determines trader success. Not so much the signals, but more what do you do once you get in. That's where everyone loses. It's easy to get into a trade. Majority of traders have an unbelievably hard time getting out of a trade. Alright, we're hitting off our profit target now. This could turn out to be a fairly quick trade. And it was. Alright, we did it. We hit our first profit target of 600. And we'll just go on to the next trade here, see if we can't top over 1,000. Alright, we got our fill. We'll go for a short position here, 4 ticks, or $500 here. Again, 10 contracts, $12.50 a tick. So 1250 times 4 is 50, times the 10 contracts is 500. And we're supposed to be banging out this trend line right here. It doesn't look like we are, so I'm going to go ahead and take us out of this trade with a loss. I'm not going to split hairs about this. Get out, get out, get out, get out. There it is. Alright, we're out. We're back to 0. So we lost everything. Them's are the breaks. We go on to the next trade. Alright, we got our long position here. Instead of going short, we're going long on this. Is banging off our top trend line and or support, however you want to look at it. It's the same difference. And so you got to learn how to do that. We took a short that we got stopped out of, and a lot of people, what they do is they just keep going short, keep going short, keep going short. Well, the dynamics of the trade changed. We go long now, and you need to know why you do. You know, there are times when I would go short again, but not in this situation, and that's what you need to learn. And we have traders who call the trades for you and tell you how to do that and why you're doing it, why you're not doing it. So that's important. Alright, banging off our profit target. Have no fills though. Actually, I don't think we actually hit our target yet, but we're within a tick there. Now we're heading off of it. But no fills all the same. Now we're going to play our stop right at break even. For now, we're going to we'll try to plug lock in 4 ticks on this. We don't want to get. We're not going to take any loss on this trade. 0. We won't let it happen. But hopefully we don't have to worry about all that, and it'll just hit us out right here. And it did. Okay, there it is. All right, well, 975, pretty close to 1,000. Good point to stop. So we had 2 winners, 1 stop, and a little bit of a struggle, but we kept to our guns, and here we are.